Now let's stop here and let me explain what's going on with these pipes. There is evidence that ground moisture was coming up around these pipes. You probably remember that there was a plastic sleeve around them, which were quite loose, so water could easily come up there. Therefore, we chose this lime-based waterproofing slurry, it's this one, to seal the gap around these pipes. We can't do this job with regular lime, because lime doesn't really stick to metal, but this substance does stick to metal, and also lime binds to it really well, because this is a lime-based material. This is a two-component slurry. The first component is its liquid binder. It's in this bottle for easier transportation, but it comes in little tubs. So let's put a little bit of it into the cup. Alright. And let's mix it with the second component, which is a powder. This is a lime mix with volcanic pozzolans. Let's put enough of it into it, which would create a good slurry-like mix. This is how it looks like. You can see it's a fine powder. And let's mix it up until we reach the desired consistency. There you go. You will probably need a bit more powder. Okay, so let's talk about this material a little bit. This is a breathable slurry. Only maybe 3 millimeters thickness will be waterproof while still breathable. Okay, I need to put in a bit more powder. Alright, so it sticks really well to all sorts of substances. So we typically use it for sealing joints between, say, cement and lime, or metal pipes and lime, or just sealing surfaces where you have moisture ingress, or you can use it as a liquid DPM on floors. Yep, that's much better. Very good. I think it is ready to be applied. And now we are going to be applying it to the copper pipe. So we have sealed around these pipes and also those two, and now we can continue pouring the floor as originally planned.